Do you know there are two laws that govern money? Man-made laws and spiritual laws of money. Do you want to align yourself with spiritual laws of money so that you can finally stop repelling money, have a consistent income and start to build wealth, even if you don't know what to do, where to start, or have rich, successful contacts? Hi, my name is Gul Khan. And as a money mindset expert, I help entrepreneurs to break free from their limiting beliefs, to reverse their money shame, and to blast through the money blocks so that they can live a life of unlimited abundance. My past clients have manifested up to $730,000 within 8 weeks of working with me. And today, I'm super excited to tell you about my new free masterclass, The Honest Way to Crack the Code to Having Money on Demand, where I give you the 5 steps to blast through your money blocks and deliberately attract wealth you want, need, deserve, and about time earned. Register now.